What's good, guys? It's your girl Kiesha Arielle and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how I proceeded with taking care of my locks after taking down my box braids. Now, if you haven't yet seen my previous video, then I do suggest you go and check that video out by clicking the link above, just so that you have a good understanding of the state of which my locks were in after taking down my box braids. But before getting into today's video, if you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification button so that you will never miss an upload every Sunday at 5 p.m. And also, if you would like to support my channel, then please feel free to join the ad gang by participating in watching the ads which are displayed on my channel, as this really helps me out. Okay, so let's get into it. So after sharing the state of my locks after taking down my box braids, I asked you all to take part in my community poll to find out what you would do if you had this much buildup. And 88% of you voted that you would do an ACV rings. But let's find out what I actually did. Surprisingly, I opted for the second most popular vote, which came in with 4%, which is to cut the locks with the most stubborn buildup, do an ACV rings, and then reattach my old locks. Now, this was my first time ever doing an ACV rings, so I made sure to browse through YouTube for tips on how to do it and also to get the correct measurements. But no one actually gave any specifics regarding measurements. So I just tried my thing here after watching Green Beauty's YouTube videos regarding staying in the safe zone of the pH scale measurements when making up an ACV and baking soda mix. Now, if you'd like to check out her videos on this, I will definitely leave some links in the description or in the cards above for you to go and check out. She's very, very informative and will provide you with really good information. Honestly, the reason I chose to cut the locks with a stubborn buildup is because I didn't actually think the buildup which were in those locks would have come out after doing an ACV soak, because this was extremely stubborn and pretty much stuck in my locks in comparison to the other locks. And in addition to that, I wasn't very happy with the thickness of the locks around my edges, as I have shared this with you in previous videos. Following my ACV soak, I washed and conditioned my locks. Now, when I got to this point here, I wasn't sure whether I wanted to reattach my old locks, which underwent the ACV soak as well, or to just leave these new locks to let them start their own journey. I don't know, but let me know what you would do in this situation by taking part in the community poll question, which can be found in the community tab on my channel. And make sure that you are subscribed and have your notifications turned on so that you won't miss my next video to see what I chose for myself. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, then please be sure to like, comment, and share this content to show some love and support. So until next week Sunday at 5 p.m, we will be right back here with another video.